All right, March 24th. Made it. Full week. No trading. Uh, I don't want to say it was hard. I think at first it was a little bit difficult, but I actually went a week and 2 days because it was the Thursday and Friday of last week. I didn't do any trading as well, but I didn't find it as hard as I thought it would be. I think I just came to a point where there was always something to trade the next day or something to look at anyway. Um, it was strange. I definitely learned a lot. Like the video I put out, a few days ago, where I believe it was HTGM, where it had this big gap up, and it was around here where I think I would have shorted it somewhere here. But I started really going back on a lot of my trades and just going back on just charts in general that have these big moves, and notice that especially when they start breaking psychological levels, like they just tend to just keep going for a few days anyway. Now it's starting to break down now. Um, who knows what's going to happen here if it continues to go sideways for a few days. It's a big range, but if it goes sideways for a few days, this thing might break out again. But regardless, I just want to focus on my week, and I didn't I didn't feel the urge to trade near, I would say, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, where I was just watching the market and watching different stocks, what was popping up on the radar, which I found strange because I think when I was trading and I was thinking about not trading, my fear was that I was going to get this urge to trade. But then when I stopped trading and just watched, I didn't really have that urge. It was just, did I want to? Yeah, I did, but it wasn't like I had to push the button or I was going to miss out. It was like the FOMO was completely gone, which is it was just it's strange. It's funny how the brain works. Um, so I think going into next week, I just want to keep this mentality and just keep going this way. Just if trades like this come along, because I was actually watching this, I did debate getting in on this at this level. It was consolidating for a bit. I had this this bar break up, bar break down kind of thing right here and here. As soon as it broke this level, bam, that was it. Started to break down, but it was Friday afternoon, 2 o'clock, and I'm like, you know what, like, there's gonna be something Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There'll be something next week for me to trade. So I'm not really too concerned about getting in this. I'd rather make it the entire week and finish my week of not trading than get in a trade. And this too, like, there's it was up 200% at one point today. I think this was around 195 when it started to break down. Like, this thing could keep going next week if it really wanted to, right? Like, this is strong, and if you look at the daily, it's not like it broke down all the way. It didn't go red. This thing could go up higher if it wants. Really, it's blew through 10, no problem. So this thing could base at 10 and just keep going it to 20, 15 if it wants to. Um, like I said, just a quick video. I didn't make any trades. Just wanted to tap in on that. That it was a good week. I think a good week of I learned a few things about myself, and I feel like it was good. And it might be something that I just do, maybe once every few months. Just step back and refresh myself and just watch. Just try and learn something. I do have some swing positions that I'm currently eyeballing. Um, so next week, I'm looking forward to next week. Hopefully things go well. Maybe this HTGM can catch some more momentum to the upside here, and maybe we can catch it. Anyway, Good luck. Have a good weekend.